Hi, my name is Detroit Miracle, and I am here to talk about the real social classes in society. The true social classes are shepherd, sheep, and wolf. The shepherd class consists of high political figures, wealthy industrialists, and rich celebrity entertainers. The high politicals lead the governing bodies of society. Wealthy corporate industrialists provide jobs for the poor and middle class. These corporate shepherds also ensure goods and services for every class. Rich entertainers embody a standard of excellence for the general population. These idol celebrities also entertain the masses with their craft art forms. The sheep class consists of the lowest political figures, poor and middle class persons. Lowest political figures are town level and some city ranked officials. The poor consist of homeless, unemployed, and low wage workers. The middle class consists of high wage workers that earn between $50,000 to $100,000 a year. It seems these middle class folks have made it, but they still have to work for a paycheck. And now brings us to the wolf class. The wolf class consists of criminals or lawbreakers that will engage in illegal activity just to earn honest bucks. This rebellious bunch will often take a bandit approach to obtain the things they want. Truly, all wolves aren't of the poor because rich wolves have shown their wealth in full public view at times. Many of the wolf have easily bought their way into higher classes, even though those such classes deem the human wolf unfit for society. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to leave a like in a like section, a comment in a comment section, and y'all are more than welcome to subscribe to Detroit Miracle.